Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211 and how to remove the A-pillars. So I have one on my passenger side and one on my driver's side as well. And to remove it, we're going to first remove the weather strip. Just grab it from any location. Just like that, and once it's off, it's pretty easy to remove all the way around. So now to remove the A-pillar, you could use a pry tool and stick it in between this gapping and pry it, or you could just use your fingers and pull it out slowly like this. There are a couple tabbings which I'll show you guys once it's off. Here are the tabbings. Some of them might fly off if you pull them too hard, but this A-pillar is also out. And from the bottom, we're going to wiggle it and pull up. And it should come out just like that. And here's a piece that came out and installs right back there. And there's another one of the clips and it latches on back to there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video on how to remove your A-pillars on your Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. If this video helped you guys out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.